everyone, it's Gigi, and I have a video response for the Crafty Cricket, who is Elizabeth Holbrook, and she was doing a pink/birthday challenge for October for breast cancer awareness and for her birthday. She was celebrating 5 years breast cancer free. She is a breast cancer survivor, which is wonderful. And one of the things she wanted you to create was either a pastel-Halloween or a pastel Christmas. So I did pastel-Halloween. I started it in October, and I'm just now finishing up everything that I wanted to create. So this is what I made for the pastel-Halloween, and I created my own shaker mix. And in the back, if you can see, there's little ghosts. And I made it a shaker. It's really cute. I hope she likes it. And then this is the inside. I made it a slimline. And next, she wanted an inspirational card for her Pink House group, where she gives cards for people who are going through breast cancer. And she wanted the inside left blank, and this is the card I created. It says love, pray, and believe. And I left it blank on the inside like she requested. And then I created something special for her. I did this on canvas, and I did the Think Pink, and for her being a survivor, I did the Tilda Magnolia Boxer Girl. Because she is truly a survivor and a fighter. And so I hope she likes that. And also because it was her birthday, I made her a really cute birthday card. And it says happy birthday on the inside. And then I sent her some goodies also for her birthday and for Christmas. So guys, check her out and check out her giveaway. And Elizabeth, I hope you like everything. Okay, love you, girl. Okay, bye guys.